Ner mala ken yam kana as the Allen County Linka Risni ka Nor online TV channel and a breaking news ray which ka South Sudan ka yam bio kam ayu kan de nikir mayadit and update me pai talk muguro dong der ander jeling en ray ler kam bukona linga na ler mishi bere which ka yam bio no ka lirangu yambio kante gwata dana te kume espele mayotin kene kume SSPDF meni pinkir ma yadit ban rache me ban jelin kel ka dobo dana chaje nonga ya raje dana chala re wichin winimi kam ayo kene kume kir ma yadit chala den wote ka meche chaling ke lirangu payam ka yambio kante South Sudan Western Equatorial State you know wan gwasa ma de shineti konti la sibiliani shikari ngalong ke shikaruden bar la jiwich kinar bar kata danen chi kuma kirmi yadi che de ni shaka nang are wucin winimi gwada danen tie ka spele mayo wajan gwa danen len ka maintenance gwada mane en wejamo shalke lirangu payam jente ke 15 kilometer kano siam bieton jana wajan gwada danen te kuma espele mayo tin ka jan gwada danen chi cha di SSPDF cha janang ten ko do branan cha lat ke kwasa me chine de walong re wijin winimi wa chi gdwala long jana chu jaga ja put lo shina shigente re wijin tama shigente re wijin winimi gwada danan chi cha di cha nang ten ka dwal ko bi dech dung South Sudan men pinkir ma yadit banat baka dwan mach ko shi kuma kirma yadit shede che nang wijimi en gwadmi che to ko shine tin wan che dwal ko dongde kurkam espele mayo kan SSPD abda rod nyok kam lo jarol ten shine tin wan shi dwal antam men charling o wate ga de dwaika you know jen en area kam jere ka danen ci kana latino gwaseme neti wan let kana lonko dongde maldara ben ray wich ka South Sudan no awa mi korwe kamawe mukume kirma yadi we kama mega espele mayo ray wichin winami ka yambio nyoda jagwano telemal me beben kamdien no she major general lulray kong ramdan la leria lat ka South Sudan People Defense Force jene telemission link kwida jen tele information about the incident jen telemission link ten duno che link jen wonena jene SSPDF operation command ka yambio wa ku kan rwani ku kan lugor ke te kana akatin kon lat karodian jen dana chala jene I don't have detail on where the fighting is taking place jen ko ko dana to korten ngam to ka you know kwaje no dong mud te ne di chamu ka board bana re wichin winami jene tele menga ja ka kwida choroje mo chede kwen ka kwije mo re wichin winami ka yambio to kormo teten kam ayo kan SSPDF ayo mark ne ka gwadran tigatin according to the information that I have here ko kan nami containment side yen ke gwam tigatin mengi kan de kenten de dienten name shiraga man to ka Nasir ba mishi kono gi kon Nasir nang ke de SSPDF ten nang ka ten law e mal kan wada baka kore la wati ga ko to bo to shang naman kan la no ne de content tin kana ka greater of nal state la de ne ten ko nang re wi Nasir kana ulang shang naman chicken gor je uga nyin ka swele mayo go dobran chalat ka je na mani ko tungwan ko ko zalon ko kane ko na la civilian gor kano de ka shan kamal ke de ka tek no ba ka displace bigalo ka refugee camp ke bigalo lel ka rodin le wuka kai DP camp na modar bajalon en me rekel em to gre ka yambio yi kan men to ka Nasir again the same thing mala da diana wo gwada mi ke de ni ayo nyento ne ke kuma ka nasar gwata ka great up na the state ka civilian ko la clash ne ke ne ko antila dinya ramkel ka jan yambion winami la mayor John Osman jan as fele mayo secretary ka yambio jan ne chiga dier bolong jan ne tok chi koromo cha tuok ye chi kumayo kene kum kir me yadi chikarom ajana queen ne manana nonga ke manana tuok queen ne chinene ni chine torbiyali ne ga nente chaten ke de ne to ka lirango kalling ne maj bontama queen ne madan le roda re duaran winimi cause de nya ayo te ka dor chikane dewich jene ko adan ling ne majten ko jan aran ayo nan chega me secretary kayo ka yambio jene ling ne mach jan de ni pain nanga kana go dan tan ne tan ka yambio ko yambio amata aspele mayo kana SSPD bala kum ke me yadi jene cha kulling ne me Alfred futu me cha jure which ka yambio choro do chu ngwa dora jan go mi kwala gorten on tama so mulat kono ke dum mal kare which ka Sudan mal beje tele ko missionat mission gorno bi kan bika let kel ke bikan mal bikan non kel la nyu da gwano tala mal bitwok kama yo kan asfelem dunkin yadit mekan kan kon mat tala mal mi kan gorno ben kam dien tala do mo de mal dar ben kaje tala ja there's no way there's no option apart from they can restore peace de ga ma de kan non re wi South Sudan du no mo kan ka me dong nyenka da nyu da gwa en wo tele mal beben so na me jana tana tuok cha me cha kalin kali rangu yambio kanti kam SPLMIO kan SSPDF gwan mi SSPDF chikan dini kan kanang gwa dan SPLMIO ten baja kwen ya ka tok English biya chuling manana le roda. A resident of Lirangu Payam in Yambio County, South Sudan, Western Equatorial State, have been forced to flee their home following intense gunfire that erupted this morning. The area located 15 kilometers north of Yambio town is known to us an assembly point for SPLMIO forces. Several local residents say the violence has left them in a state of fear, with many seeking safety elsewhere. Unconfirmed reports suggest that additional soldiers are being deployed to the nearby area of Nadiagare, though local authorities have yet to issue an official statement. Community leaders are urging the state governor to intervene and restore peace, warning that the ongoing violence is disrupting farming activities and children's education. Major General Luro Ekong, the spokesperson for the South Sudan People Defense Force (SSPDF), said that he had no detailed information about the incident, but confirmed that SSPDF Operation Commander in Yambio is gathering reports from the field. I don't have details on where the fighting is taking place, who initiated it, or if there are civilian casualties or not, Major General Lurie said. On the opposition side, Mary John Osman, the SPLMIO secretary in Yambio, also expressed uncertainty about the clashes. She confirmed hearing continuous gunfire in Lirango, but say her group does not know the reason behind it. We saw vehicles transporting soldiers to Lirango, and we are hearing ongoing gunshot, but we don't know what exactly is happening in the bush, she said. Mayor Osman added that she had seen a Land Cruiser vehicles and an ambulance heading toward Lirango. She also noted that a similar incident occurred yesterday along the Makfandu Road, raising concern about escalating insecurity in the state. Attempts to contact SPLMIO commander in the Lirango area were unsuccessful, as phone calls were not going through. Colonel Lampol Gabriel, spokesperson for the SPLMIO in Juba, said that the movement has yet to receive an official report on the situation in Lirango. The situation remains tense as gunfire continues, with residents anxiously awaiting clarification from the authorities. Tension have remained high in western Equatorial State between the SSPDF and the opposition SPLMIO following the removal of State Governor Alfred Futuyo Karaba, a member of the SPLMIO. On 10 February, President Salva Kiir issued a series of decrees unilaterally removing several senior government officials, including Alfred Futuyo. Shortly after his removal, Futuyo fled Yambio, the capital of Western Equatorial State, following an alleged attack on his residence. The incident reportedly involved elements allegedly linked to SSPDF. South Sudan has been formally at peace since President Salva Kiir and Vice President Riek Machar signed a 2018 agreement that ended a 5-year civil war, which claimed hundreds of thousands of lives. However, sporadic violence continued to threaten the stability in the part of the country.